Watercolor is an amazing medium, but one of the challenges it presents is that if you make a mistake, you can't paint over it. And because of the nature of the paint and the quick drying time, watercolor paintings tend to be small. There's nothing wrong with small, but what about big? What about fabric and wallpaper and murals? I'm Catherine Jennifer, an artist, surface pattern designer and top teacher here on Skillshare. This class is part 2 of my class Watercolor Without Fear, Painting for Pattern Design. In that class, I share my process of using small blocks of paper to create a larger canvas so that you can paint freely without fear and create large repeating patterns. I show you how to move the blocks around so that you can easily create a half drop repeat. In this class, I'm going to show you how to do the editing, joining up your paintings to create your pattern tile. It's easier than you think. I use 2 main tools in Photoshop, one to get rid of the joins and the other to isolate my motifs from the background. Prior to finding this method, I really struggled with editing my art in Photoshop. It drove me bananas. I hope that by sharing what works for me, you'll be able to turn your own beautiful paintings into beautiful patterns for use on fabric or wallpaper or murals. So if you're someone who loves to paint, but you want more real-world applications for your paintings, join me in this class, Watercolor Without Fear, Painting for Pattern Design, Part 2. Let's do it!